is Victoria. Welcome in. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing, as you can see. And this is from Marc Jacobs. This bag is called the Scene. She comes in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. Of course, I got the large one. So I will be going through and showing you this bag in 2 seconds. But I just want to say that Marc Jacobs is a brand that I've recently rediscovered. His bags are everything, okay? I have that denim bag. It was my bag of the day this week. Y'all saw me show you that. This is my most recent bag, the Scene. I have a couple more coming soon. Y'all saw me do a quick walk through the store this week when I picked up my lipstick charm. I still have to show you guys this. This is a lipstick charm. I have it in 2 colors now that I did, that I picked up the other day, but I do need to do a review on those. That's the other color of the lipstick charm. But so yeah, back to this. This bag is beautiful. Let me show you. So it was shipped. I had it shipped to the store. So after work today, I picked it up. Let me put this down. But I wanted to show you the whole experience. And let me get the actual bag. I love Marc Jacobs bags, and if we're familiar with him, you know he previously worked for Louis Vuitton. A lot of the iconic bags that from Louis that we all love was during his era. Look how beautifully wrapped this bag is. Presentation is everything, my friends. And if you've been here before, you know I'm a self-professed handbag fanatic. So let's take this. This is a big bag. It comes in several colors. The large one, which I got, comes in 3 colors. And then the medium one comes in several colors. There is a powder blue or baby blue color in the medium one. I adore that color. Oh, friends. My friends. This is the Scene. Just come closer and show you. Look at the detail, the hardware on this bag. Oh, my friends. Oh, the leather is so good. No feet, but I don't care. Yeah, it says, let me see, Marc Jacobs right there, and get closer. And y'all know, those of you who have been here before, you know I love slouchy bags and oversized bags. And this bag takes all those boxes. But oh my God, I love this. Look at this bag. Oh, look at the tassel here, the zipper pull. I mean, sorry. Look at that. Just look at the details, my friend. Oh no, we gotta do a review of this. All right, let me unwrap her a little bit. Oh, I love this bag so much. Oh, the wrapping on this thing, friend. Oh, kind of like Coach. They wrap it to death. But we like that because that means your bag is very protected in shipping, you know, before it gets to you. So I like that. Sometimes it's a little bit of a pain to remove all these wrappings, but I like that the turn lock pockets here, turn lock opening, I'm sorry, There's a pocket outside. It has one pocket. Other side doesn't. But all right, but it's a turn lock. This is amazing. It's large enough that I can put, yeah, my whole hand can fit in here. So yeah, I see things like your AirPods and, you know, my keys are bulky, but I can see you putting the keys in here if you want it, if you didn't have like bulky keys like me. Oh my goodness gracious. This is so pretty. All right, let me remove the stuffings just so you can see what she looks like. Because this is the first time I'm seeing this bag. I've only seen her online. I've not seen any reviews. I've not really seen anything. When I was in the store, full disclosure, I did do a live with Marc Jacobs for my TikTok, maybe a month, almost 2 months ago. And when I was in the store, one of the girls had the medium size. It was in the baby blue color. I don't know what the blue color is called, but I loved her bag. And I do have some clips on my channel of me when I was doing the live. I had her bag on during the entire live, which was an hour long. And she has the medium size one. It's definitely is not this. It doesn't have a pocket, but that bag is stunning. And I wore that bag all during the entire live. So I have seen the medium one, but I've not seen this large one. Look at this. Look at the smile. This is, oh yeah, she is everything. So pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, friends. Oh my gosh. This color is called Port, P-O-R-T. This size came in the this Port color, a black and gold, and then I think it was a white or an off-white. I don't know the exact color name. So it was 3 colors I saw in this size. So a full review is coming. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing to show her to you. She's stunning. Oh my goodness. I love this bag. She's so cute. Ugh, I can't. I just like this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that dip. I don't know. Is that what we call it? Or smile? Look at that, friends. I am going to do a review of this bag, a full review, and what can fit. I can tell you right now, just looking at her, she is large. Ugh, I know I can fit my laptop in here. Yeah, a full review is coming. And I know that I'm going to figure it out. I don't want to try it now, but you can extend this and make this into a crossbody. Yeah, I'm going to figure this bag out and I will do a review. I know, I can't contain my excitement, but okay, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you this bag and let you know that a full review and what fits is coming soon. Okay, great. Thank you for checking me out. Again, I'm Victoria, a handbag fanatic. And yeah, I appreciate you spending a few minutes of your time with me. If you have time, please check out the next video that's coming. All right. Thank you, friends. All right. Bye-bye.